Here in Britain, we have a huge variety of places we call home, from characterful cottages and modern estates to Victorian terraces and houseboats. While our streets may have plenty of appeal, behind closed doors, we don't often make the best of what we've got. So we've gathered some of the nation's best creatives who all believe they could be the next big name in interior design. We'll travel across the country and through the ages, to medieval homes, 1920s beach huts, and contemporary eco-blocks. Each time, 3 amateur designers transform similar rooms in 3 neighbouring properties.
I've never done this before.
That completely throws the schedule.
Across 9 heats, they're contending for a place in the second round of the competition.
I know it's going to look good. I just know it's going to look good.
Judging them are designer and president of the British Institute of Interior Design, Daniel Hopwood.
I'm looking for a designer who has enough raw talent that with the right training could be one of the greats in the interior design world.
And interior stylist and magazine journalist, Sophie Robinson.
In order to impress us, the designers need to be resourceful, innovative, but above all, original.
So the designers will have to display imagination, skill and style if they want to be crowned the winner of the Great Interior Design Challenge.